SuperKeys enlarges the cells or keys within a cluster. It works especially well with the DocsPlus on-screen keyboard and can be used by Switch or eye gaze users. In the Options ribbon tab, click Accessibility. Open the SuperKeys tab and select SuperKeys to turn it on, and then click OK. The keyboard cells are now grouped into clusters. Select the cluster containing the letter you want, and then you can select the letter to send it into the document. From within these enlarged clusters, you also have options to use the sound shift button to hear individual letters or words if you have the predictor on.
Fire.
The shift button, which makes the letters into capitals. The X to close the cluster, and then also the delete button to get rid of the previous letter. SuperKeys is also fantastic for supporting users using word bars. If I open a word bar, you can see that my cells have also been clustered here. And I can open one of these clusters to select the word that I want and send it into my document.